Learning bar chords on guitar. You must know the 12 notes by heart. A, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G and G sharp. The two most commonly used bar chords are major and minor bar chord. They have four basic positions, two for major and two for minor. They are as follows. Taking root on the 6th string, a major bar chord, and taking root note on the 6th string for minor bar chord. Similarly, taking root note on the 5th string for major chord, and finally taking root note on the 5th string for minor bar chord. If you know these four basic positions, you can cover the entire fretboard. Let me explain you in detail. Taking root note on the 6th string, the major bar chord that you see is actually a position of E major. If you remember the E major chord is something like this. We take one step ahead, put the bar over here. See, this position, E major position, just goes one step ahead, F major. And if we move forward from F major, we can go to F sharp major. If we move further ahead, G major, G sharp major, A major. All these chords are taking the root note on the 6th string, the major bar chords. Now for the minor, very similar to E minor position. Do you remember the E minor position this way? So all we have to do is now, instead of playing with these two fingers, we play the E minor using these two fingers. And then over here, it goes one step ahead. This becomes F minor, F minor, F sharp minor, G minor, G sharp minor, A minor, A sharp, B minor, C minor. C minor is on 8th fret, right? Now playing the major bar chord by taking the root note on the 5th string, okay, the major bar chord. So this comes from our A major chord position. If you know the A major, which goes like this, instead of playing like this, we are playing it like this, and then taking one step ahead, this becomes a B flat major. After A comes a A sharp or B flat. It's the same chord but two different names. So B flat major, then B major, C major, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G. This way you can play all the major bar chords by taking root note on the 5th string. And the other minor position on 5th string is this. It's quite similar to the major position of the 6th, but just one step down, all of them. All the fingers, like instead of these fingers going over here, it goes down to this, this and this, and the bar chord definitely. So this is quite similar to the A minor chord position, if you remember. See, our A minor chord position, which we used to play over here, has now become B flat minor or A sharp minor, as you say. And then you have B minor, C minor, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F minor, F sharp minor, G minor. Okay? Learn the four positions of the bar chords and then eventually you will be able to play all the major and minor bar chords on guitar. A tip that I'll suggest you is start learning the bar chords on 8th or ninth fret. The reason is because the position remains the same, but then you won't have to stretch your fingers as the fret spacing gradually lessens as you move forward, as you move down the fretboard. So the more you're closer to the sound hole, you'll see that the fret gaps, like the spacing between two frets, is way less. So I suggest start learning the bar chords from the 8th or ninth or 10th fret.